Hello guys, this is Vaish. So very interesting and a very shocking thing actually that UPSC 2022 two ranks are being claimed by four people. Okay, AIR 44 and AIR 184. Tushar and Aisha. Okay, one is like he's from Bihar, he's from Haryana, and these two girls Aisha are both from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so these both claim that I am the rank 44. I have the hall ticket. I am the one who went for interview. And here same thing with Aisha. They are celebrating, doing cake cutting. Relatives are at home. Media is at their house. Everybody has both all four are celebrating. Okay, I don't know how many of you came to know about this thing. And UPSC saw this, and UPSC have told who is the fraud and who is the real one, and has charged criminal action. Okay, against the ones who has done the fraud. Okay, so here if you see the roll number 78144 Aisha, two Aishas are claiming. They both are showing the hall ticket to media. And here 44 again the same people. I will show you the admit card also. Okay, what they have admit card, and one is fake one actually without UPSC logo and watermark and all. So here today May 26th I'll show you this in UPSC website. If you see here, okay, this is, see, 2022 fraud. They have named it like that itself. The press release from UPSC May 26th, today it came few hours back. So here if you see, it has come to our notice that two persons are claiming fraudulently. Okay, and so UPSC is like a foolproof system. We have been doing this for years. We know how to maintain this. So no mistake has happened from our end, because both are claiming the same roll number actually. Okay, so now they have I'll tell you with pictures who is the actual fraud and who is the actual real one. Okay, so here name wise if you see Aisha Makrani, okay, so daughter of some another Makrani, is recommended by claiming recommended UPSC. Her actual roll number is not that 78144 who got the rank list. Okay, that first I'll show you that one. This is the rank list, right, which you all would have checked, like who is the topper. Here if you simply search for that number 7814, okay, 7841, okay, let me see, 7811744, 7811744. See, Aisha Fatima is the name given, and this is the roll number. Okay, same like that. Tushar will be there. Okay, Tushar Kumar, rank 44, 1521306. Okay, see, this is the rank list published by this thing. After this only, two Tushars came into picture and two Aishas came into picture. Okay, so this other girl is actually not even Aisha Fatima, but she is claiming. Okay, Aisha Makrani, she is claiming. So UPSC told her roll number is not that, her roll number is this one, and she failed in the prelims itself. Okay, she gave prelims and her marks is just 22 marks in GS1 paper, 21 marks in the CSAT paper. So both failed. Okay, she didn't qualify the cutoff of either paper. And the real one is Aisha Fatima, who is this roll number 78144 and got 184. Okay, now with this anyway you will not understand which is the one. Okay, because here state name or photo is not given. Okay, but again similar case I'll show you that photos and state. And here Sri Tushar, here if you see from Haryana, this is the roll number 2280, not that 153 which I showed you in the last screen. 22 thing, and his mark if you see minus 22.89 in GS, complete negative, and 44 in CSAT. Okay, still both he failed. So here they're telling they failed, and the real Tushar is Tushar Kumar, son of Ashwini Kumar, and from Bihar, and here it is rank 44. Okay, so we will be taking action here if you see. The UPSC is contemplating both criminal as well as disciplinary penal action against both candidates for their fraudulent act. Okay, so this above case, why they are concerned is because the electronic media, and they are telling media is irresponsible, media is spreading fake news, especially the newspaper name if you want, Dainik Bhaskar. Dainik Bhaskar's Bihar edition, it is showed that Tushar is the topper. In that other Haryana edition, it is that telling it is that topper. That much irresponsibly, Dainik Bhaskar in their own newspaper in two different states have published two different toppers. Okay, so that is the level of reporting they have done. Okay, so that is why UPSC came out. Okay, now if I'll show you the admit cards and all those things. Okay, before that, if you are a serious aspirant giving exam in 28th of May, please don't waste time on this video. You can watch this later. Okay, don't waste your time now, because you have lots to study. These are all the videos which I have done for you. Please sit and watch, and you will surely clear. Okay, so now if you see, this is the fake one. The one in both are Madhya Pradesh. The girl's case, both are Madhya Pradesh. So she is the fake one, but the guts of these people. Okay, even just doing a fake claim, that is once okay, but after that calling media to their house, showing this admit card which is fake, and then her brother is telling I will go to court and give case. My sister has done a lot of hard work. It was my mother's dream. That thing, this thing. So full emotional dialogues they have told it in this thing. But whatever she told, admit card, when you see, you will understand. She's like that complete admit card is fake. Okay. This if you see, okay, this is the e-summon letter for personality test, okay, which she has, and this she has something, and again this thing if you see here, UPSC's watermark is there. Okay, here there's no watermark, it's a plain Word document. Here there is a QR code. If you search, you will get the complete true details. Here there is no QR code itself. Then here if you see the biggest comedy, Tuesday April 25, here it is Thursday April 25. Okay, in reality April 25 was a Tuesday only. Okay, so this person who made this fake thing, okay, see the roll number, they have put the same 7814. Her roll number is not even 7814. It is something else which I showed you in that UPSC today's press release. So this is a complete fake thing which he is taking into media, the Dainik Bhaskar and other channels, and then claiming that she is the topper, where actually, but the other one is topper. Okay, so this one, if you again, okay, if you want to see that interview schedule also, we have everything is in public domain, right? So if you see here, the 78147 is Tuesday, April 25. It is Tuesday. It's not Thursday like it is there in this girl's thing. Okay, so this is a complete fraud thing which she is doing. Okay, and another, that other guy, okay, the other guy's roll number, Just let me show the photo and see this. This guy is celebrating, cake cutting. He's the one from that Haryana state. Okay, and he's like telling the media also that I did self-study. I did not go for any coaching. So people also don't waste time on social media. I am going to Delhi to prove my point. I can this and all. He's telling to the news channel. Okay, so I don't know from where he's getting this guts or reality. Whether is there any merit in what he's telling? Because UPSC till date I have not seen anything mistake happening from UPSC side, and they have clarified it also, because UPSC, unless they are not sure, right, they never publish us anything. So UPSC has published it today means obviously this guy is doing fraud only. Okay, and this other guy from this Bihar, who actually has telling, he told that admit card is this thing wrong, and I have even spoke to, okay, that one news article I'll show. He has even called up this guy. He has called up this Haryana guy and asked like, okay, if you are telling you are the real one, then before interview, you are just showing the interview thing, right? Before interview, you have this some documents and DAF and everything which you would have filled and sent to UPSC. Show me that. That time this guy is not ready to show it. Okay, so that's why, see here again, both are putting the same roll number 1521306. Okay, so here if you search, I think they had it on May. Okay, 1521306. If you see 8th May 2023, the thing was there. Okay, so here at least the one who made the fake one did not change the day. Monday, both are matching. Okay, but again, see here, this guy has the UPSC's thing, and this QR code also, if you scan, you will directly get the details about him. But this one, if you scan, you will not get anything. And here there is no UPSC this thing. Okay, and here this one color logo and all is there. So this complete a fake made up admit card. Okay, which he's showing in TV, and he's doing this cake cutting in family. His relatives are gathered. I don't know from where they get these guts. Meaning he's got minus 22 in GS. Okay, minus 22 in the prelims paper, and he's telling he went for interview, and then he's confidently giving media interviews and these things and all. So I don't know what is happening. Okay, like either he's on some drugs or something, or he's intentionally spreading false information. So this is what I told. They had a phone call. Okay, this guy Bihar guy, the one actual genuine one, and he's also claimed by many of the coaching classes and all. His photo, DAF, everything is there in public domain. So he is real only. Okay, he's cleared BPSC already. He's working in Bihar PSC administrative service already, and he's now cleared IAS with 44 rank. Okay, so here if you see, he asked the exam form has to be filled during the time. So show me that document. But Haryana's Tushar does not want to give him. Okay, this guy does not have any documents other than what is there. Okay, and see this photo itself. See, this is like a local casual photo, not even a proper white background normal photo and all. It's a very completely fake. So the summary, if you see, this is the names, Aisha Fatima and Aisha Makrani. This is the original roll number, and this is the genuine rank. This is 184 rank. UPSC has published it, and this is, if you see, failed in prelims. Okay, so this is a fake claim which is going on in the news item. Now the boys, if you see, this is Tushar Kumar, and this one roll number, and this is the genuine rank of 44, and this is the this thing. Okay, minus this thing. So that is why I'm telling, it's a complete fraud thing told by another one. UPSC has decided to take criminal action against them. So that's a good thing. And that is the final thing. Always UPSC, as I told, they do the research and they do everything properly and only publish something. So they would have checked these roll numbers, cross-verified, and then only publish this. Okay, so this and all is the things happening. But again, if you are again serious about the exam, don't waste time on all these things. Just I found it interesting and something in the never before in history of UPSC I saw such a thing. So I thought I will share this in a video. Okay, so now you can continue your studies, and more CSAT related videos I'll be publishing before tonight. Please study everything seriously. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.